Is this really happening? Is this really on? Okay. Fuck.
There we go. Hello, hello. This is Alan.
My name is Bruce Sturgill, and I'm with Chubster.com.
Jason Chen, Deputy Editor at Wirecutter.
I'm Jesse Thorne, proprietor of the menswear blog Put This On.
What am I looking for in a white t-shirt? I'm looking for durability, easy wash, easy care.
First and foremost, need a t-shirt that fits me well.
I just don't want to look dumb.
Not too big, not too tight.
Like, we just want to look handsome and
Stain resistance, if at all possible.
I think a good white t-shirt should be something you can wear on its own, tucked, untucked, under a sweater, with a suit.
How much would I like to spend on a white t-shirt? It's hard for me to think about going over, $30.
I'd like to pay $19.99.
On the low end, probably around $12 to $15. On the high end, maybe about $30.
First t-shirt coming out of the box, we've got G5. I really, really like this one. Not super thick. Its collar seems pretty sturdy. The texture of it is nice. I mean, I wouldn't call it especially soft or buttery.
Very soft. Very, very soft. Definitely feels durable.
It's another very lightweight, stretchy, soft-ish. The seams are uneven on the sleeve set ends.
A little thin. You need a surprising amount of thickness for a white t-shirt. Like, I have protuberances and other human characteristics. It looks a little like they went in on the long t-shirt trend and it's gonna hang down over your butt and you're gonna look like a weirdo from Venice in 2017.
It looks like it's got a lot of extra room, so it looks like it'd probably fit pretty well.
I would say this t-shirt cost $10.
Probably $12. 12 feels like a good number for this. C4.
Doesn't feel particularly premium, as it were.
This is nice. I like this one. This is longish. It feels on the longer side. It has a nice hand. It feels like the weave of it is pretty buttery.
Very soft. This is a very soft shirt.
Oh, I like this, and I'll tell you why. It feels like a sturdy boy shirt. It's a little large. This large is a large.
It definitely looks like it's got enough room to it that's going to cover well.
I would expect this t-shirt to cost $8, but they probably sell it for twice that.
$20. This feels like $20, $25, something around that area.
D3. D is in dog boy. This shirt is a trifle thin and a trifle European for my taste.
It's light, but I like the fabric. It's almost like it has like a moisture wicking kind of fabric, and it's got a little elasticity to it. I like this a lot.
Feels like it might also have a bit of spandex or something in it.
I didn't know better. I'd say D1 was like athletic wear or something, something I could work out in, which is great, frankly.
Yeah. I actually think this one smells a little chemical bathy to me.
It's heavier. It is very luxurious.
It feels expensive. This seems expensive.
This feels higher end to me. This is probably 25.
15, $20 for this one. It feels a little bit more premium than the other ones.
Oh, this is different. B1 is a very nice fabric, a very smooth, almost silken fabric.
Feels like it needs to be washed. It's kind of a soft, but I don't know. I don't really know how to describe it. Like, it's not broken in.
This one is a very different jersey than the rest. A lot stiffer, but still pretty thin.
I like this t-shirt. It has a nice firm neck. It looks a little big for an L, but it's nice and square.
I'd be a little concerned with the fit. It doesn't look like it has a ton of extra room.
It feels like it's a little bit more lived in. It maybe is, I don't want to check the label, but it feels almost like it could be a little Supima-ish.
I would probably say this shirt is maybe $15 to $20, $15, $18 each.
I would expect this t-shirt to cost $13.
I'd say this probably costs $10. I like it. It's nice.
Oh, this is fancy. Well, isn't this fancy? Yeah, this is one of those high touch, hand spun cotton shirts. Oh yeah, see, I'm of course very into this shirt.
This is really strange. It's very thick.
I notice immediately something I like about this is that it has a tight, sturdy-looking collar.
I don't like it. I think it's sort of a gesture toward being more expensive. A nice brand's version of a t-shirt that is not a version of a t-shirt any normal person would actually wear.
It's also a nice, tight weave, but not too heavy. It's a nice one. I would say its greatest strength is not softness.
This is a shirt I would definitely be like, I will buy this shirt. This shirt may cost $50. This shirt may cost $80.
I think this probably costs $35, $40. Maybe even more than that, honestly, like $60. I'm all over the place. Let's say $50. $50.
Did I find a shirt in the pack that I love? So far, my favorite right now is G1. I am hyped to put that one on.
I think of all the t-shirts that were in the pack, D4 was my favorite.
I probably would go with, this is really hard. I like D5. I would say also that I like B5. What I really do think is Uniqlo.
The easy winner here is F2. This is just a different quality of garment than the rest.
I would buy all of these shirts. No, I would not buy all these shirts, but I would buy some of these shirts and regret a few. And they all show off your rippling abs. They will show off other things on people like me, which is, fun because the human body is a beautiful thing no matter what shape it is.